Welcome to RichInsider. If you are living in the United States or UK and haven't shopped on Temu at least once, you must be living under a rock. This Chinese shopping app has taken the world by storm with its unbelievably low prices and vast product range. But how does it manage to keep the costs down, and what's the catch? And most importantly, why is Temu so cheap? In this video, we will look into the rise of Temu, exploring its origins, business model, and strategies. We'll examine how this e-commerce giant leverages technology, manufacturing, and marketing to offer such competitive prices, and discuss the implications on product quality and consumer perception. So, if you're curious about the secret sauce behind Temu's success, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we uncover the billion-dollar question. How can Temu sell products so cheaply? And, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all our latest updates. First things first, what exactly is Temu? Born in China in the year 2022, Temu has taken the e-commerce world by storm. It's a shopping app that's gained rapid popularity across the globe, all thanks to its outstanding marketing strategies, incredibly low prices, and an astonishing range of products. Owned by a parent company named Pinduoduo, that's quite the powerhouse in the industry, Temu has carved out a niche for itself with its aggressive and innovative business model. Last year, Temu had over 100 million active users in the United States and has topped global app download charts, with 152 million Americans using it every month. Over 40% of Temu downloads have come from the US. The UK is Temu's second largest market, followed by Mexico, Germany, and France. Its target market is broad, appealing to bargain hunters and trendsetters alike. From fashion to home goods, electronics to beauty products, Temu's offerings span across numerous categories, luring in customers with its promise of variety and affordability. In 2023 alone, Temu's total revenues reached an impressive $27 billion, which is double the previous year's revenue. According to reports, Temu aims to triple sales to $60 billion globally in 2024. Temu is growing at a speed other e-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay are not able to catch up. But how did Temu capture the market so quickly? And what made this massive growth possible for them? Let's find out together. The key to Temu's low prices lies in its unique business model. Temu operates on a direct-to-consumer model, which means it has removed the middlemen, the distributors, wholesalers, and retailers from its supply chain. This elimination of intermediaries allows Temu to significantly reduce costs and pass these savings onto the customer in the form of lower prices. But how does Temu manage to do this? The answer is in its efficient supply chain. By maintaining close relationships with manufacturers and having a streamlined logistics system, Temu ensures a smooth flow of goods from the production floor right to the customer's doorstep. This efficiency is not just about cost reduction, it's also about speed. By cutting out the middlemen, Temu can get products to the market faster, which is a crucial advantage in the rapidly changing world of e-commerce. But a robust business model is just the tip of the iceberg. Temu's ability to offer low prices also stems from its manufacturing and sourcing strategies. Unlike the traditional model where brands produce goods and then market them to consumers, Temu's next-gen manufacturing model allows merchandise partners to tailor their product development and manufacturing processes based on market insights provided by Temu. This approach leads to lower costs for both consumers and merchandise partners, thanks to economies of scale from improved product fit, increased revenue, and reduced waste from mismatched production. But the strategy doesn't end there. The location of their manufacturing plants also plays a significant role. By strategically positioning these facilities, they can significantly reduce logistics costs. Imagine having a gigantic warehouse just a stone's throw from your biggest markets. That's a lot of money saved on transportation. But as we all know, it's not just about getting the products cheaply, it's also about the quality of the goods. And this is where Temu's relationships with manufacturers comes into play. By working closely with these producers, they can maintain a certain level of quality control. As we can see, manufacturing and sourcing are crucial, but so is the role of technology and automation. In the modern e-commerce landscape, technology and automation are game changers. Temu, like its peers, embraces this truth wholeheartedly. It leverages advanced technology and automation to streamline its operations, creating a highly efficient machine that keeps costs down and productivity up. Think of it as a well-oiled machine firing on all cylinders, always ready to deliver. Data analytics play a crucial role in this process. By harnessing the power of data, Temu can predict consumer demand with impressive accuracy. This not only helps in managing inventory but also in avoiding overstocking or understocking, both of which can be costly. Then there's automation. From order processing to product sorting, automation is used for a multitude of tasks. This reduces the need for human intervention, saving time and money and minimizing errors. Temu also employs proprietary technologies. These platforms, developed in-house, further enhance efficiency, providing a competitive edge in the cutthroat world of e-commerce. No doubt it's a tech-driven operation, but it's not just about the tech. It's about how Temu uses it to streamline, to predict, to manage, and ultimately to deliver value to its customers. Technology and automation are key, but let's not forget about marketing and customer acquisition. Effective marketing and customer acquisition strategies are integral to Temu's success. At the heart of this lies Temu's clever utilization of social media and influencer partnerships. By collaborating with prominent online personalities, Temu taps into large, engaged audiences, instantly gaining visibility and credibility. With more than 200 million viewers watching live, Temu made its advertising debut at the Super Bowl game, with a massive spend of about $7 million for a 30-second commercial. But what really drew in the masses are the incredibly low prices. The allure of getting a great deal is a powerful motivator for customers, and this in turn increases volume sales. This model, where affordability fuels customer acquisition, is a self-perpetuating cycle that allows Temu to maintain its competitive pricing. Temu also isn't shy about getting creative with its marketing campaigns. Remember the gamification tactics? By making shopping an engaging and interactive experience, Temu has managed to keep customers coming back for more, thereby boosting its visibility even further. So, as you can see, Temu's marketing tactics are as efficient as they are inventive, successfully drawing in customers and keeping them engaged. But as we all know, getting customers through the door is only half the battle. Marketing and customer acquisition are important, but so are cost-cutting measures. Beyond its business model and strategies, Temu employs various cost-cutting measures. One of these is the use of minimalistic packaging. By opting for simpler, more cost-effective packaging, Temu is able to save on material costs, all while lessening its environmental impact. Equally important is their logistics. Efficiency is the name of the game here. By streamlining transportation routes and optimizing delivery schedules, Temu ensures products reach their customers swiftly, without incurring unnecessary costs. Lastly, let's talk about Temu's operational structure. It's lean, trim, and devoid of excess fat. They've stripped away non-essential roles and processes, focusing on a core team that drives operations forward. This lean structure not only reduces overhead costs, but also promotes agility and responsiveness in a fast-paced e-commerce landscape. In sum, these cost-cutting measures, from minimalistic packaging to lean operations, allow Temu to offer products at tantalizingly low prices. These cost-cutting measures certainly help, but what do consumers think? Understanding consumer perception and addressing quality concerns is crucial for any business. As for Temu, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, the incredibly low prices have drawn in customers from all corners of the globe. Who can resist the allure of a bargain after all? Yet, on the other hand, Temu's low prices have raised eyebrows. Questions about product quality are quite common. It's not unreasonable to wonder if you're getting what you paid for. Sure, Temu has its share of glowing reviews. Customers rave about the unbeatable prices and an array that rivals a virtual global bazaar. However, there's no denying the existence of less than stellar feedback. Some customers have expressed concerns over the longevity and durability of the products. Others have pointed out discrepancies between the product images and what they received. While the allure of rock-bottom prices is undeniable, it's clear that some consumers are left questioning the old adage, "You get what you pay for." Now that we've covered all the bases, let's wrap things up. In conclusion, the secret to Temu's low prices is a combination of factors. From a direct-to-consumer business model, efficient supply chain and strategic sourcing to technology-driven operations, savvy marketing and cost-cutting measures, Temu has disrupted the e-commerce space with its incredibly low prices. However, the burning question remains: can Temu continue to offer such low prices without compromising on quality? This is something only time will tell. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences with Temu. Thank you for joining us in uncovering why Temu is so cheap. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care.